Hey everybody, how we doing? I'm Dave, one half of Shenanigans with D&D. This is my daughter Kylie.
Hi.
And we are doing a Halloween sorry. Oh, hey now. And here's Sally. We are going full tilt with this tonight. So we're here to do a little Halloween unboxing.
I don't know what's in there.
Don't poke me in the eye. We're here to do a little unboxing. A little Halloween unboxing. Again, the wife strikes again.
I have no clue what's in the box, so this is my first time seeing all this stuff.
My first time seeing all this stuff too. That's why it's called an unboxing. Alright, so first and foremost. Now I can breathe.
Hat head.
But we'll put it back on, right? Because it's Disney stuff, right?
Disney
We're getting
hat.
hyped. We're getting super excited. We got less than 30 days before our trip. I think it's like 3 weeks.
I'll
to
hold that
26 days. 20. The wife says 24.
Yeah, something around
24
there.
days. So, with that being said, stuff. Let's get started. All right. So,
Oh, those are Casey's.
this is cute. It's all from Walmart.com. And also, this is all from Walmart.com. If you guys didn't hear that off to this side
Mom.
of the camera.
Mom's over there.
Wifey. She always lets us know what we got going on. So, little top, little princess top. It comes with some
That's
pants.
super cute.
Super cute. It's got all the princesses written on him. Now these are our pajamas. Alright.
Oh, I think that's Mom's.
Mom looks like she's got a pajama shirt.
That looks really comfy. It's cute.
So if you can't notice the trend in this household,
Yeah. We love Nightmare Before Christmas.
we do.
Especially the little one and
Yep.
Mom.
And if you actually follow our Instagrams or my wife's Instagram, which is D&D Designs, she posts some pretty cute and funny reels of the little one on there doing hocus pocus and stuff from, you know, Nightmare Before
Everything.
Christmas. So, wife's shirt.
Ooh, some comfy pajama pants.
Oh, those are really soft. Feel those.
Ooh, really soft.
These are nice. So pants to go along with it.
Hey!
This is a 3-piece.
Those are mine.
These are yours. These are short. Those
Yeah.
are short shorts. You can't wear short shorts.
I can't if I'm going to bed.
Dad's out there across the world. Will you guys side with me, right?
No!
Short shorts, just no, nonsense.
It's too warm.
Nonsense. So I'm not gonna completely. Oh, yeah. I guess I am. See, look like extra small. Those look huge. Those. So she has no waist. She's a tiny thing. So, but those are her
That'd be
shorts.
That'll be really comfy.
And then there's a top that goes with it, which is pretty cute.
Oh, it's super cute. I like it a lot. Thank you,
Right?
Mom. Socks.
Some socks, just in case your toesies get cold.
I don't wear socks to bed. It's uncomfortable. Why do you do all the trash?
Because that's what dads do. Oh.
Landos.
I guess he opted for the alternative.
The fart nugget. That's what he is.
So Star Wars, Mandalorian. Some of you guys might get mad at me, but I have not seen all of the Star Wars, okay?
No.
And the guys that I work with at the firehouse all love Star Wars, and they are on me like white on rice, and we have been watching them every shift when we have dinner. We throw it on, and we've been watching it. These guys have been educating me something fierce. So, Stevie and Sean, thank you very much. I do greatly appreciate the help.
I mean, we started watching The Mandalorian, but then we just kind of gave up because the episodes were really long.
And we had no idea what was going
Yeah,
on.
that too. I just wanted to skip through to see Baby Yoda.
So, some pretty cool pants.
Comes with pants and shorts.
Yep. So once I go through all of it, I'll kind of lay it all out like I tried to do last time. The camera got a little funky last time, and it cut out on me. So hopefully it won't do that this time. Don't need the box anymore, right? Looks like these are mine. Just leave them. Let's see. Oh, at least they're not short shorts. They're long shorts. I
They're
like
comfy.
them.
They
They
look really
look comfortable. They look comfortable.
Ooh.
I'd probably have that scared face if I was on my pants too. Especially after taco night.
Ew.
Let's see. What does it say?
Nightmare.
Nightmare. It's pretty
There's
awesome
Jack
shirt.
on it. I
No,
feel like I can.
I feel like I am not gonna just wear this to bed. I feel like this is gonna be a regular shirt for me.
Mine probably will too. Mine's really cute.
But so that's pretty awesome. All right, so you know what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna try and lay these out as the outfit, so that way you can kind of get an idea.
I kind of want
Let's
to wear
let's
mine.
let's put this stuff over here.
I'm gonna show each one. I kind of want to wear mine tonight now because
Yeah. So Kylie,
yeah.
just lay the next one out right next to it.
Okay.
Mom will help. So, all right. Oh, you guys are attached. It held on a little bit better than I expected. So here's mine. The pants. Again, those are really nice. This is Lando's, Mandalorian, Baby Yoda. And he's lucky. He's got an option if he wants to do shorts or the pants. So I mean, just depending on the weather, right? We're from New England, so it's getting cold. So here's Kylie's. And again, hers comes with the shorts and socks.
Mom just found out hers has pockets.
The wife just found, so this is the wife's. And she just realized that her pants have pockets. So she's pretty excited about that. And this is like super, super soft. I really like this material.
She has jammies sort of like this. She has a lot of Disney jammies.
So again, this all came off Walmart.com, guys. So
It was way cheaper than Shop Disney pajamas.
if you see anything here that you like, that's where you can go.
And nothing was more than $12. Your set was $12.
Oh, nice. All right, so we got Belle, Ariel, Cinderella, and Moana. What can I say
Oh, so
except
cute.
you're welcome? I know. Don't quit my day job. Don't worry, folks. I won't. All right. So that's pretty awesome. All this stuff was great. I love it all. Hopefully you guys all liked it. Again, the countdown is on for our Disney trip, and I can't wait. We have a one bedroom at Old Key West. A one bedroom at Old Key West, so you guys can expect that room review. I haven't even had any drinks tonight. Once we get back, I don't know if I'll upload it while we're there, because I generally tend to include the room number, so that way you guys know what's what. So, like always, guys, keep up the shenanigans. If anybody can tell me what's different about me, I shaved the stash. The wife hates it, so yeah, it'll be making a strong comeback. But for now, like I said, you guys hang in there. We'll be back shortly here in a couple weeks, and maybe we'll do a little road trip as well. I mean, we are doing a road trip, right? 'Cause we're driving to Disney. But I'm saying maybe we'll do like a road trip video. But again, I'm Dave, one half of Shenanigans D&D. This is my sidekick, Kylie.
Hi.
1/3 of Shenanigans with D&D, and we'll catch you guys later. Take it easy.